Hi, this is David Wood with Early Music America. In this video, we're going to show you how to access Grove Music online through Oxford Music through the benefits page once you've logged into earlymusicamerica.org, and we have a separate video about logging in and accessing your member benefits. Once you've come to the benefits page, you can scroll to the bottom here and you can see some of our external benefits, including Grove Music for those members for which this is a benefit. You would click the banner here that says Grove Music Online. And this is going to take you to oxfordmusiconline.com that hosts Grove and will log you in automatically through Early Music America's portal to Grove Music, and sometimes this takes just a moment. But once we've come to this page, you'll see Oxford Music Online and Grove Music Online at the top, and it will already say Early Music America. So many of our members think that they need to sign in, but if this says Early Music America, then you are signed in to your account and you can just begin using Grove Music Online. So if I wanted to look up information about Handel, I would search, or I could use any of those drop-down menus that you find here, and I would just search Grove Music Online, Oxford Music Online, and then the search results will come up, and you'll know that you have complete access because you will see these unlocked green padlocks, and that means that these articles are viewable to you. You are logged in. If you were not logged in, those would be locked and you wouldn't be able to see them. So if I click on them, then I can continue to browse this information as I would otherwise. And that is how you access Grove Music Online as a member benefit through Early Music America.